Hey everybody, today is April 24th, 2024, and you're looking at a daily chart of Tesla stock TSLA. Tesla reported earnings last night and surged today above several key resistance levels up as much as 15% intraday, testing the confluence of the descending upper trend line of a potential bullish wedge and a falling 21 EMA. The initial rejection is to be expected as price consolidates today's surge in a rectangle top. I've annotated the Fibonacci support levels in white as potential reversal levels. However, if the price closes the gap completely giving back all of Wednesday's gains, that would increase the odds of more downside. However, if price can leave the gap open by rebounding off of the Fibonacci levels I've annotated in white, then we may see price make another attempt at a breakout above today's highs at 167.97. A close above that level increases the likelihood of a 172 gap fill, and above that, a test of 179. Tesla just reported earnings and they missed and are up about 13.5% after hours, and far above the 151.52 level I mentioned in my previous Tesla stock video. If you remember, I said if Tesla stock reclaimed that level, then we would put the 85 price target on hold until we saw some definitive closes below the key 151.52 level again. As of now, we have blown past that and have now reached another key resistance level at 163. The stock is currently overbought now in the ultra short term, and what I'll be watching for at the open is for a gap close reversal. A gap close reversal is simply when a stock gaps up higher at the open from the previous day's close and then fades lower to return somewhere near the previous day's close before reversing back higher. A 13.5% gap up is pretty significant, so we may not see a complete gap close. We may see something like a 50% gap fill, which would bring the Tesla stock price down to 156 to 153, where I'll take gains on my puts. If this video resonates with you and if you think we've earned it, all I ask is that you please hit the subscribe button and the like button, as it helps us get this message out to reach other investors like yourself. That being said, there is another possibility that we see more short covering tomorrow and we see a gap and go scenario where the stock just gaps up and keeps going as shorts begin covering their positions. In that scenario, I'll be watching to see if price stalls out near the declining 21 simple moving average, currently around the 166 level. Should price hold above that level, price has an unfilled gap to close near the 171 level, and at that point, should we see that tomorrow, would leave the stock in an extremely overbought state in the short term, and that is where I would open up a short position. I'm a huge fan of Elon Musk and Tesla and have bought my first Tesla shares years ago. However, in the very near term, I'm an avid options trader, and if I see an opportunity, I will pounce on it, whether it's a long or short opportunity. There is another possibility, and that is that price could push higher than the open gap at 171 and run up to the next resistance level at 179. So I'll be watching for shooting stars to print on a 30-minute chart before buying put options. There is another key resistance level at 172, and we'll be watching that level tomorrow. However, I do plan on opening up a short position tomorrow in all likelihood if we see a rejection at the 163 level. That said, however, I will stop out if Tesla can't stay below the 163 level, and as of now, price is above that level. If you would like to get notified the moment I buy either puts or calls in Tesla or any other stocks in real time, I'll leave a link below that will take you to Patreon, where you can get these instant alerts either emailed or on our Discord in real time. If this video resonates with you, please take a moment to like and subscribe, as it helps us get this message out to reach other Tesla investors.